What's up, my fellow traders? You are welcome again. Now I am going to tell you the requirements you need in order to become a successful forex trader. In the business of forex trading, it is easy to create a forex trading account. Everybody can do it. It is easy to make a deposit and a withdrawal of money. Everybody can do it. And it is easy to make a profit for your first time of trading and then think you are an expert here. Alright? Do you think it is easy to make money and keep a profit you made consistently? In this lesson, I am going to tell you what is required for you to become a consistently profitable trader. My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional forex trader and a digital entrepreneur. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss the most important lessons I'm going to upload very soon, like this one. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Lesson 1, Part 3. Requirements to succeed in the business of online forex trading. In this lesson, you are going to know what is required for you to be successful in this business of online forex trading. Alright, let's start on number 1, about devices you need to do this business. To be able to trade the forex market, you will need some devices that will help you do this business. You will need a smartphone, you will need a laptop or a computer desktop, you will need a chair and a trading desk. You will need an internet connection. You can use data or Wi-Fi, and you will need a capital or startup money in order to make money from the forex market. But when you are a beginner, you have to start on a demo account, because on a demo account you don't use real money. Right? All of these are tools you need to make sure to start a business of online forex trading. There are hard tools and soft tools. Right? Let's go on number 2, about the requirements you need in order to do this online forex trading. Let's talk about softwares you need. As you know, we are in information ages where now everything run electronically by the leverage of internet and softwares. Online forex trading is the business that we do by using some softwares. In trading forex, we use softwares called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or TradingView in order to do this business. These are platforms we use in order to place orders in forex market. Alright, you will need other softwares that will help you to see the economic news that affect the forex market. Software we use here are Forex Factory, Investing.com, and many others. You have to learn how to use these softwares. I will teach you how to use them. Alright? Let me talk about number 3, about broker. To do online forex trading, you will need a broker that will help you to enter your trades into forex markets. A broker. What is a broker? A broker is a financial services company that provides traders access to a platform for buying and selling foreign currencies. There are too many brokers out there. Very soon I'm going to teach you how to choose your broker. Alright, let's go on number 4, on requirements you need to do this online forex trading. Number 4 is skills. Let me talk about skills. Forex trading requires computer skills and fair understanding of English language. It is not easy for someone who doesn't understand English and doesn't know how to use a computer. The business of forex trading is like any other businesses that require skills. The people who are going to trade without knowledge They are here for gambling. You will make money based on good luck and lose money based on bad luck. Anyone can make money here based on luck due to gambling, right? Skills of online forex trading are like any other skills you have to master in order to be a professional. For example, if you want to get a degree from a university, in order to be a specialist like a lawyer, a doctor, an accountant, or an engineer, it takes at least 3 to 4 years of study to master those skills, same as online forex trading. Same as to succeed in this business of online forex trading, you must be willing to work really hard and smart to master these skills very well. Trading is like learning a new skill. You must be ready to put into time and effort, but to learn forex trading, it requires less time compared to other professional courses, right? To get your bachelor degree, you have to be serious enough and disciplined. You wake up every morning, you study hard, and you put into more effort to follow up your courses. Same as forex trading, it requires discipline and to be consistent while you are learning. Alright, number 5, let me talk about time it takes to be a professional forex trader. To succeed in this business of online forex trading with the best coach and the best mentorship and training, it takes at least 6 months to 1 year to truly master these skills and become a consistent, profitable trader when you just work really hard and smart. Alright, number 6, let me talk about trading plan. To succeed, you must have to build a trading plan and then trade with money management plan by taking only trades that are in your trading plan, and then you have to follow that plan consistently. If you trade without a money management plan, you are just wasting your time and money, because nothing will work for you even if you have the most powerful trading strategy in the world. Right? To be successful in forex trading, you have to build a trading plan. I will teach you how to build a trading plan. Alright? Jim Rohn once said that learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of spirituality. Searching and learning is where the miracle process all begins. To become a successful, profitable trader, it takes a time of learning and practice in order to build a consistent winning strategy and a winning psychology. Alright? If you have just mastered these skills very well, you will make more money consistently the rest of your life. All you will need is a laptop, an internet connection, capital, and skills only. So give this lesson some time and spend as much as you can to learn, because this is the only way to succeed in this business. Alright? The best thing to do is to start small, try to get as much as experience as you can, and build slowly your trading account. How strictly you will follow your trading plan without deviation, this will determine how much money you will make from the forex market. This is how successful traders become successful. Alright, guys, work hard and smart in silence, and then let your success make the noise. Do you still want to level up in forex trading? Make sure to subscribe, like, and share so you never miss other useful lessons I'm going to upload very soon. Thank you very much. God bless you. I love you so much.